Now let's see one more thing, that is comparison of adjectives or degrees of comparison. Now let's see. Suresh is a tall boy. You can see Mahesh is taller than Suresh, and out of the three, Mahesh is the tallest. So here we are using the word tall, taller and tallest. All the three words are adjectives according to the sentences. But what happens here? We are comparing persons in respect to their heights. So these words which are used for comparison, to show comparison, are called as degrees of comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparisons. The first one, tall, is positive, comparative, and that is superlative. So the positive degree simply denotes the existence of some quality in the thing or person we speak about. Okay, no comparison is made. In comparative degree, comparison is made between 2 persons, and in superlative degree, comparison is made between more than 2 persons or things like that. Okay. Now, read the second set of sentence. Sonali is a beautiful girl. Ankit is an honest man. Shudhanshu is the brave boy who jumped into the river to save the child. Now here, we have not compared Sonali or Ankit or Shudhanshu. So, we have used in the first 2 sentences article a, an, and the. Okay, before the beautiful, honest, and brave. So, articles a, an, or the can also be used as positive degree. Now, see, formations of degrees of comparison. So, what happens? Simple, for making a comparative degree, we use ER and superlative EST for the first rule. So, in this first rule, see the degrees: brave, bright, clever, cheap, deep, dear, fast, few, great, gay, high, kind, low, long, narrow, nigh, new. Nigh means near actually. Old. So here, for making comparative degree, simply add ER to the words, and for superlative degree, EST. So this you have to write in your notebook. Okay. So brave will be braver, bravest, brighter, brightest, like this you will write. Then see, the positive ends of E are, see here only R is added or ST is added, because the last word has E. So the positive degree is like able, abler, ablest. Okay, no double E. Whiter, whitest. For the third rule, here Y is there, so Y is removed with I, and then ER or EST is added. So busy, busier, busiest. See the spellings once more: dry, easy, easier, easiest; dry, drier, driest. Like, see some adjectives from the positive degree where consonant letters are at the end, they are doubled and added. After that, add ER or EST is added. So like big, bigger, biggest. Okay, fat, fatter, fattest. So like this you can make. Rule number 5 says, so when the adjectives of positive degree is a word more than 2 syllables, means a unit spoken language consists of a vowel or diphthong. Okay, so it is a part like nib. I is there, so 1 syllable. Stolen, O is a vowel, E is a vowel, so 2 syllables. Understood? See, lay, bus, 3 syllables. So like this. So then here more is added into the comparative degree and most is added into the superlative degree. Then some adjectives do not follow any rule. So their other words are used as comparative or superlative, like bad, far. Okay. So like this. Then you have to see the use of older, elder, oldest and eldest. See, Hari is older than me. Hari is the oldest boy in the class. Hari is my elder brother. Ankit is my eldest brother. So you have to check on the meaning and use. Then you cannot use double comparative and superlative. Like more, richer. So two comparisons are there. More is also used as a comparative degree and ER is comparative. So that will be correct. Incorrect. Wrong. So only one. Shehnaz is richer than Salma. Then most oldest you cannot write. So oldest only. So this is the way you have to do the comparison. Okay. Now see, this is the copy work you need to do. There is a table given, long, longer than the longest. Okay. So this is the heavy, heavier than heaviest, bright, brighter than the brightest, fast, faster than the fastest, strong, stronger than the strongest, candle, bulb, tube light. Now here comparison you need to do. Blue pencil, red pencil, black pencil, car, helicopter, jet plane, chair, table, cupboard, Mohit, Raman, Salim. So see one example. The car is fast, helicopter is faster than car, the jet plane is the fastest of all. So you need to make the sentences, okay, accordingly. So there will be 5 sets of sentences. So this is your homework.